This short should finish up the April 1964 Carcraft, modify it in mean. Quite the mill. Little bucket T with a hell of an engine in it. No radiator. Coolant must be something for somebody else. From the ground up. Olds V8. It's quite the looking vehicle. Turbine for tomorrow. There's the Chrysler turbine. Reader's models. They always have some pretty cool things, though that was a little questionable. The X-Acto micro saw. Gold Cup series from Johan. And there's your Gold Cup included in each kit. Have one of those. Latest releases of interest to modelers. Good looking slack car set up. What's your problem? Bridgestone by Rockford. I had a Bridgestone. Every time I got to run and I'd make it to the end of the driveway and die, and I'd have to push it back. Oh, there you go. Hawk Weirdo kits. These have been reissued and kind of takes the fun out of finding the originals. Big Deuce by Monogram. MPC, when it was brand new, 64 Corvette. Here come the monsters from Big Daddy Roth from Rebel. Your Rat Fink, Dragnut, Mother's Worry, Mr. Gasser. Sweet. Engine Bright, stainless steel grills. Now we're getting to the boring ads. Halibrands. Yeah. 2 sweater nests. More Big Daddy Roth Productions. And back cover, the Falcon by Ford.